Cindy here with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we are going to talk about how to adjust the height of a cane. Now when you're adjusting a cane, whether it be a regular cane, also called a single point cane or a straight cane, and the quad cane, the height adjustments are going to be the same. So I am going to demonstrate with the quad cane because there's a second adjustment that we need to pay some attention to. So first off, when you're adjusting for the height of either cane, you're going to have your user stand up nice and tall, and have them relax their hands at their side, and you want the cane, the top of the cane, the handle, to hit them at wrist level. So if you look, have them bend their wrists, you'll see some wrist creases here. That's about the level that you want the cane height adjusted to. Now the second thing to pay attention to on the quad cane is if you'll notice the base, again it has the four legs, these two legs come down closer to the base than these two legs. They come out a little bit further and then down to the floor. Now, depending on which side of the body you're using this on, you want the ones that come down closer to the base, on the side, next to the leg, on the side you're using the cane. Okay? So let me show you a little thing here. On most of these canes, they have a coupler that you have to loosen up before that allows you to adjust it up and down. You also have a push pin to adjust the height and move it to the different holes here. I do want to show you on the quad cane, you have the two different pins, or the two pins on each side. This allows you to turn the base depending on whether or not you're using it on the right or left hand side. So let me show you here. As you can see, this is for the right hand side. So I've got the cane, the handle facing backwards. I've got the feet that come down close to the base next to my right leg. Okay? Now, if you're going to switch it to the other side, to the left side, all you got to do is push that pin in. You're turning the base around. Again, the handle is going to face backwards. You've got the legs that come down close to the base next to your left-hand side. All right, so I'm going to do just a quick adjustment on this so that it is set up for my right hand and set up for my height. Okay, and then don't forget, we want to tighten this coupler up. All right, and as you can see, we've got it adjusted for the right-hand side. It's going to be adjusted for my height here at my wrist level when I'm standing up nice and tall. Okay, so we have the quad cane there adjusted for my height. Now take a look at the videos on how to use these canes. Also subscribe to our site. It's free so that you can stay updated as we add new videos every 2 weeks. That's it for now from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.